In this video, I am going to show you how to remove WordPress logo from browser tab. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my WordPress website and currently it's open in Google Chrome. Now in the browser tab, you will see WordPress logo instead of my own custom logo. So today we are going to change this WordPress logo to our own custom logo. To do this, at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. And now from the WordPress website dashboard, we are going to click on Appearance and then click on Customize. Now here you will see different options based on your theme. But from the left menu, we are going to click on Site Identity. And under the site identity, you will see site icon. This is the icon that today we are going to change for this WordPress website. Now to add our own custom logo instead of this WordPress logo, we are going to click on change image, or we can also remove it from here and then add our own logo. And now we are going to select our own custom logo. If you have your logo on your computer, then you can upload your file from here, or if it is available in the media library, then you can select it from here. But the recommended dimensions are 512 by 512 pixels. So I am going to select my own custom logo here and then click on select. And now you can easily crop the logo according to your own choice. I will go with one letter, which is E. So I am going to select it. And after that I am going to click on crop image, and after that from the top I am going to click on publish. And as you can see that our WordPress logo is now changed from the browser tab. And now if I visit my WordPress website and refresh it, and as you can see that it is also changed from here. So this is how you can change your WordPress logo from the browser tab. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe.